So welcome back to our second module. So in our second module, in our first module, we understood how to put in a pin, and you can still see this pin here. So the next thing that we are going to understand is how to put in a polygon. If you want to put in a polygon, for example, we have here a playground, and then in this playground, if I can try to zoom it in, maybe you want to put in the details of the information. So what do? We can come here and choose put in a polygon. So the polygon you want to put in, I'm going to first extend this a bit so that I can put in a polygon. So I'm putting in a polygon from there to here. So I think you're seeing how it is coming in on its own. So I'm marking the edges. You keep clicking on the edges of that polygon because you want to identify it as the playground. So if I can leave it at this, so that is a polygon I put in, and I want to call it IUEA playground. I'm going to call it IUEA playground. So this is the IUEA playground, and you can change the color. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So you can change the color of the lines from here to the color that you would wish for, just like we did. Maybe now I can choose green and click on OK, and then I can also change the color, the feel of the area from white to any other color. Maybe I can choose green. So I click on. If you want, you can also increase the opacity and all that. So clicking on OK, so you realize the colors have quite changed. I would want this dark green, and it's more of light green, so I can change this one into maybe a different color so that it can be visible, and choose yellow. So if you want, you can increase the size of this so that you can easily view it, so you can increase it as much as you would wish. And then after you finish this, if you want, you can put a description of what you've designed, maybe a playground with all the details, and then when you finish, you click on OK. So basically we have learned how to put in a polygon. So we finished how to put in a place marker and how to put in a polygon. So our next module, we shall learn how to put in the next one, which is a path, how to add a path. So thank you for being part of this module, and I hope right now we all know how to put in a polygon in our Google Earth. So we shall go slowly by slowly, module by module, and make sure that we learn and understand. Any part that you don't understand, please feel free to ask. Thank you for being part of this module, and I'll see you again in the next module.